I was very happy being an ER physician in a level 1 trauma center when all of a sudden I couldn't sleep. I literally went to 11 different physicians. All of them told me the same thing: take a sleeping pill. I was very lucky to be invited to the very first anti-aging conference, and there I learned women without progesterone frequently have insomnia. I did the very first saliva test in the Midwest. I had no progesterone at all. I started on progesterone and very shortly thereafter slept like a baby. It was so exciting to know that you could have a personalized approach when it comes to pharmacy and to medicine. I love my progesterone. I take it every night. I still sleep like a baby, and it's now been 24 years. I use only PCCA Special Micronized Progesterone for myself and for my patients. This gives me consistent results that are reproducible over and over and over again. I always choose VersaBase for my hormone base. You can get great reproducible results in your patients year after year after year.